Hey guys, Alex from Showtime. We got here a brand new 2022 Ferrari F8, and we just wanted to show you some of the procedures that we go through on every vehicle that comes through the shop. So as you can see, we're going to be working on this Ferrari, and we want to take some precautions. So as you can see, we have here a steering wheel cover. We have protection right here on the center console. As you can see, we have a seat cover, and then also on the floor we lay down plastic to protect the interior of the vehicle, so that if there's any grease or dirt on our shoes, it's not going to track into the vehicle. And then our next step is on my tablet here. We actually have a check-in procedure that we go through on inspection. So what that is we're going to go step by step. We start up the vehicle, we check if there's any check engine lights, airbag light, tire pressure monitoring light, anything like that. We document it and check it in before working on the vehicle, so that we know for ourselves and for the client if there's any issues beforehand. Okay, so the last part of our check-in procedure is on our list here is the body and wheels. So what this is I'm actually going to go over the whole vehicle, look for any major scratches, dents, dings on both the body paint and on the wheels. So if there were to be a scratch or something, I could take a picture of it. It's documented in our records here to show that this was something that was on the vehicle before we actually started working on it. Alright guys, so our next step that we're going to be doing is putting our plastic protection film on the vehicle. What we do is we're going to put this plastic film on any of the surfaces that we're going to be working on. So this film that we have, it's a plastic, and it's mostly held on by static electricity. So there's not any harsh adhesive that's going to be on the vehicle that'll do any damage in the long run. So what we'll do is we'll put this wherever we're working. The smaller one, we'll do the door edges. We'll do the door sills if we're going to be working near there, just so that anything from our pants, there's no chance of any accidents happening of scratching the paint.